Hello everyone, this is Desi Hobbies and I'm Raj Lakshmi. Today we are going to learn some basic mandala designs for beginners which will require very less amount of materials that are available in your home. A blank page, black and blue gel pen, eraser, compass. So let's get started. This is one form that I have drawn and we are going to draw something similar. Let's start some basic patterns. Long petals, short petals, pointed petals. You can draw different varieties of petals as per your wish. These are some fillers that you need to do inside the petals. You can also draw geometric designs like center, circles, spirals, rectangles, square, anything. We will start with drawing circles that are concentric in nature in a blank page which will give us a base to prepare the mandala. Take the center point as a base and start drawing floral or geometric designs. For beginners, outlining the circle is required or it's helpful for you to know that you are doing in an even manner. It also adds depth to your mandala. Whenever you are doing smaller patterns, don't overfill them. Otherwise, your mandala will look clumsy. And you yourself won't be able to recognize the patterns afterwards. Tip number 2 is that draw denser patterns in alternate circles. Long petals are very much easy and very much helpful in a mandala. They can be used technically everywhere. And rather than filling the inside of the long petals, try to fill the outer edges. It will create a light shadow effect in your mandala painting. Repeat the same throughout the long petals. Now we will draw the fillings by just putting simple small lines and not overdoing the fillings. Start the S-shaped design and keep on rotating the page. Rather than rotating or revolving your hands, which is painful, rotate the page. And therefore you use an exam board for this. It will be very good for you. Highlight the same. Highlighting a mandala design is very much required so that it adds depth and more brightness to your mandala. This is my favorite pattern, doing the interlocking freehand mosaic. Don't use a scale for this. Freehand will give you a drawer effect on your mandala. You can do it either ways. You can either outline the circle first and then do the design, or first do the design and then outline the circle. One of the easiest and simplest drawing pattern is a mandala design because you can start and end it anywhere. There is no hard and fast rule that you need to keep on doing it. You can do a small pattern also. It is completely at the maker's choice. These are spirals, simple small spirals with blue pen, and then on the alternate circle I am doing it with a black pen to give it a color combination effect. Just make 3 or 4 spiral circles. It will look good. Another benefit of mandala is that it relaxes your mind. Google also recommends mandala for excessive stress relief feature and anxiety relief feature. So you can anytime take a pen and paper and draw a mandala. Repeat the spirals throughout. This is the second last pattern I'll be drawing for this mandala. These are small petals, very small petals, so I'm not going to fill them. I'm just keeping them empty. This is the basic greeting card designs that we all do. I'm doing the same throughout the circumference of the circle. This being a basic design, I'm not doing multiple circles. In the next video, we will do multiple circle mandala. This is just a triangle with 3 dotted lines. Repeat the same throughout the circumference. If you want, you can keep on expanding the mandala, but today I'm going to do it only till here. We are done. This is how the mandala looks. Isn't it pretty? It really, both of the mandala looks pretty, and you can use it as a frame and hang it on the wall also. So if you have liked the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.